Okay, let's start again. Yeah, this is the complex problem we face. Yeah, and we have to decide uh, in at which location we'll open the factory and from the for the which capacity and from the factory we have opened what number we will regulate, allocate, and distribute the cement to the market. Okay, yeah. Okay. The first step, we have to make a initial table. Yeah, consists of supply region and market location. Yeah, and also the cost to distribute and column consists of low cost and low capacity and high capacity with the fixed cost respectively. Okay, this is our initial table. Okay, the capacity, yeah, we will decide by the solver, yeah, and the demand of the region respectively, yeah. Jatim has demand 12 million units, Bali 8 million units, and then Jateng 14 million unit, West Java 16 million unit, and Sumbaksel 7 million units. Okay, and next step, yeah, we arrange the decision variable here. Yeah, what is the decision variable? This is the different with our basic problem that is simple from the previous discussion. Yeah, here we have two decision variables. Yeah, that are what number of product will be transported from each factory to the demand region. Yeah, let's say from what number of the transportation, the product allocation from Gresik to Jatim, what from Gresik to Bali, and so on. Yeah, and the second decision, which plant we will open. Yeah, whether low plant or low capacity plant or high capacity plant. Yeah, this is our these are our decision variables. Yeah, here is the unit allocation. Yeah, unit will be allocated from each factory to each demand region. And here, the decision of opening a facility, opening our factory, whether low plant or high plant. Yeah. Here, we have the decision in the binary category. Yeah. That is the uh, when it noted by one, it means that the capacity will be open, and the contrary, if the value of the cell null or zero, so the capacity will not open. Yeah. So for this cell, the value will be 0 or 1. Yeah. Null or 1. Yeah. Null means not open. 1 means open. Yeah. Okay. This is our decision variable. Yeah. And then these are our constraint. Yeah. Excess capacity and unmet demand. Yeah. Excess capacity, we will calculate the excess capacity with the this one. Yeah. Okay. This is our excess capacity. Yeah. G here, G14. Yeah. Cell G14. It means G14. Yeah. If we open the G14. Yeah. Factory and Gresik, at Gresik, yeah, with the low plant, yeah, the low capacity, yeah, G4, G14, low capacity. So the capacity will be H4 here, yeah. Low capacity for Gresik is 10 million unit, yeah, low capacity. and we add with the high capacity for supply region Gresik, yeah, high capacity, yeah, H14, H14 here, H14, yeah, it multiplied by J4, yeah, J4 express the high capacity of Gresik region, Gresik supply region or Gresik factories that are 20 million units, yeah, and then yeah, this is our capacity, yeah, will open, yeah, low or high, yeah, low or high, and the value of G14 or H14 will be null or 1, yeah, null it means that will not open, 1 it means will open, yeah. So let's say we will open at Gresik, yeah, Gresik factory with low plan, so we will the solver will fill the cell here with the one value, yeah, 1, and 1 the capacity will be 1 multiplied by 10, yeah, low capacity for Gresik, yeah. When one cell full filled by the 1 or 0, so the other cell, yeah, the same region, supply region, will be filled by the opposite, yeah, or the contrary, yeah, because we have two value of binary, yeah, 0 or 1, yeah. If we have low capacity by 0, yeah, so high capacity can be 1 or 0, yeah. But if the cell, let's say low plant, the value of low plant here is 1. So the other plant, yeah, high plant here will be null, yeah, will be null. So the value of low plant or high plant for one location cannot be 1 and 1. It must be 1 and 0, 0 and 1, 0 or 1, 1 or 0, or 0 or 0. Yeah. So here can be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, or 0, 0. Yeah. 1 or 0. Yeah. 0 and 0, or 0 and 1. Yeah. The value of the plant. Yeah. For location respectively, yeah. Okay. This is our decision variable, and access capacity, yeah, the capacity we will open subtracted by the sum of the unit will be allocated from the location, yeah, from the factory, yeah. So here for Gresik, yeah, high or low capacity, yeah, that is 20 or 10 million, yeah, subtracted by sum of unit allocated from Gresik to all the supply market region, demand region, yeah. Okay, and the same with the Cirebon. So we can copy here to other locations, yeah. Okay, this is the first constraint, and the second constraint is the unmet demand. You know, the unmet demand is the demand that will not be fulfilled by the supply. Yeah, here unmet demand. Yeah, for Jatim, it will be actual demand. Yeah, subtracted by the allocation from all the factories respectively. Yeah, so unmet demand for Surabaya for Jatim will be 12, yeah, real demand minus the sum allocation from Gresik, Cirebon, Cilacap, Bogor, and Indramayu to Jatim. Yeah, so here the sum real demand subtracted by the sum of allocation from Gresik, ya, Gresik until Indramayu to Jatim, ya, and so on. For other region, ya, demand region we can copy because the same pattern, ya. Okay, this is our second constraint, ya, unmet demand. And the objective function will be total cost, ya. Here, the cost to open the factory and cost to distribute the unit of cement, ya. Okay, how to calculate the cost, the total cost, ya, here. This one, yeah, sum product for the first sum product is the cost to open the G14 until G18, yeah, G14 until G18, yeah, this one. Cost for opening low capacity plant, yeah, low capacity plant, yeah. We will multiply uh, the capacity plant of the location respectively, ya, Gresik, Cirebon, Cilacap, Bogor, and Indramayu here, ya, multiply by the fixed cost for opening low capacity plant. That is from G4 until G8, ya, this one, G4 until G8, ya. Okay, for this one. Okay, and then added by some product. This is the calculation for opening cost or for opening the capacity high capacity plant, yeah, high capacity plant, yeah. That for its 4 until its 8, yeah. This is the fixed cost, yeah. I4, yeah, I4 until I8, yeah. This is the cost, fixed cost for opening high capacity plant, yeah, multiply by age 14 until age 18. That is the binary number, binary value for opening of high plant capacity, yeah, high capacity plant, yeah. Okay, this is the fixed cost, yeah, to open the plant or capacity factory with its capacity, and here is the variable cost, yeah, that is cost for transporting or distributing from the factory to the demand region, yeah, before until F8, yeah, before until F8 is the cost per unit, yeah, to transport from the factory to the demand region, multiply by B14 until F18, yeah. This is the decision variable B14, yeah. That unit will be allocated from factories to demand regions, yeah. This is our total cost, yeah, here. Okay. If all parameters we have set, so we will make the solver. Yeah. Okay. This is our objective. Yeah. That is to minimize the total cost consist of fixed cost and variable cost. Yeah. To minimize, yeah, we will make it minimize. Yeah. By changing variable, we plot here our decision variables. Yeah. B14, B14 until age 18, ya, age 18. Here, age 18, G14 until age 18 express the capacity of plant we will open, ya, that will be fulfilled by the binary by solver. Yeah, next, okay, and our constraint will be the first constraint, yeah, here excess capacity, yeah, our excess capacity. Excess capacity must be positive or null, ya. So here our excess capacity must be positive or null. Yeah. Gresik, Cirebon, Cilacap, Bogor, and Indramayu, excess capacity for them must be null or positive. Yeah. And then the second constraint, yeah. Second constraint is about the unmet demand here. Yeah, unmet demand. Okay, unmet demand. All the demand must be fulfilled. Yeah, all the demand must be fulfilled. So we have to set the parameter or constraint for unmet demand to be null. Yeah, because we will not tolerate the unmet demand. Yeah, so the unmet demand for all the demand region must be null. Yeah, okay, must be null. And then the last constraint. Kontak di sini. Lupa belum saya share. Pak Leo. Ya, oke. I'm sorry. Oh, 15. Oh, gimana ya? Kan alokasi kita 30. Iya. Saya ke sana dulu. Alokasi dari ini di RKA Prodi 30, kunjungan industri 30, bikin sama saya 30. 30 memang. Ya, bentar ya. Oke. Oke, ya. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah. Let's go on. And the last constraint, yeah, we have to fill the capacity, yeah. Capacity we will open here. Capacity we will open. Set on the G14 until age 18, yeah. G14 until age 18, and we will set it with the binary. Okay, this one. G14 until age 14. It must be binary, yeah. That is null or one. Okay, this is our constraint, yeah. And all these are the problem formulation using solver. Okay, and let's run our solver. Okay, Bismillah. Okay, we have a solution here, yeah. Okay, there is no problem with our iterations. Okay, yeah, this is our solution, yeah. Here, okay, we read our solution, yeah. Okay, hey, this one. I'm sorry. Okay, this one, yeah. Yeah. Okay, to make it easy to read, so we will make it number, yeah. Yeah, okay. This also. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is our solution. Yeah. Okay. From the first perspective, yeah, about the factory we will open. Yeah, Gresik we will not open Gresik because here, yeah, express the our solution. There is no value for Gresik. Yeah, both low plant and high plant will not open because there is no value here. Yeah, so Gresik will not open. Okay, and then Cirebon. Cirebon will open the factory or plant in Cirebon with high capacity. Yeah, high capacity. Here, the value of high plant is 1. Okay, so here our conclusion is we will open factory Cirebon with high capacity. Okay. And then the next, Cilacap. Yeah. We will not open Cilacap factory. Yeah. This depicts by the null of the low plan and high plan in Cilacap. Yeah, there is no value here or null value here. Okay. And then next, Bogor. Yeah. Bogor, we will open Bogor factory with high capacity. Here, high capacity. Yeah. And the last, what about Indramayu? We will open factory Indramayu with high capacity plant. Yeah, here because here the value of high plant is 1. Yeah, so we will open 3 plants. Yeah, that are in Bogor, in Cirebon, Bogor, and Indramayu. Yeah, with high capacity respectively. Yeah, so what is the capacity in number, in volume? Yeah, the high capacity will be 20 million units. Yeah, so we will open in Cirebon factory with 20 million unit, Bogor 20 million unit, and Indramayu 20 million unit. Yeah, okay. This is decision for opening the factory. And second decision, yeah, what number to be allocated from each factory that has been opened. Yeah, okay. Cirebon, yeah, the first factory, Cirebon. We have 20 units, 20 million unit capacity in Cirebon, yeah, and will be allocated to Jatim 12 million unit and Bali 8 million unit, yeah, 12 to Jatim and 8 million to Bali, yeah, for Cirebon factory, yeah. And second, Bogor, yeah. We will open Bogor factory with high capacity, 20 million unit, yeah, and will be allocated to Central Java and West Java, yeah, 4 million unit and 18 million unit respectively, yeah. Okay, this is factory Cirebon factory, yeah. And the last, we will open Indramayu, yeah, with high capacity, yeah, 20 million units, yeah, and will be allocated to Central Java 10 million units and to Sumbaksel 7 million unit, yeah. Okay, so total allocated from Cirebon will be 20 million unit, from Bogor 20 million unit, and from Indramayu 17 million units, yeah. So what about the demand? Yeah, okay. West Java, the demand is 12 and will be fulfilled all by factory Cirebon, 12. So unmet demand will be null. Okay. And then Bali, yeah. Bali, the demand is 8 million unit, yeah, and will be fulfilled by Cirebon factory as much as 8 million unit, yeah. So all demand in Bali will be fulfilled by Cirebon, yeah. Cirebon has 20 million unit, yeah. Total will be distributed to Jatim and Bali, yeah. It's exhausted, so there is no excess capacity for Cirebon, yeah. And then Bogor also has as much as 20 million unit capacity, yeah, and will be distributed to Bogor to Central Java and West Java, totally 20 million unit. So the excess capacity of Bogor is 0 also, yeah. Bogor excess capacity will be null, yeah. Okay, and Bali, okay. Central Java has demand as much as $14 million units, yeah. 14 million, yeah, and will be fulfilled by from Bogor and from Indramayu. Totally 14 million unit, yeah. All demand has been fulfilled, so there is no excess unmet demand, yeah. West Java, the demand of West Java is 16 million, yeah, and will be fulfilled by factory Bogor, 16 million, yeah, totally, and there is no unmet demand for West Java, yeah, and Sumbaksel, yeah, South Sumatra, the demand is 7 million unit and will be fulfilled totally by Indramayu factory, yeah, and there is no unmet demand for Sumbaksel. And let's see the factory Indramayu, yeah, Indramayu factory, yeah. Indramayu factory will be open with high capacity. So the capacity is 20 million unit, yeah, and will be distributed to Central Java 10 million unit and South Sumatra 7 million unit. So total distributed are 17 million unit from Indramayu, yeah. While the capacity is 20 million units. So Indramayu has excess capacity of 3 million unit. Yeah. And total cost will be 23,751 dollars. Yeah. Both cost for opening and distributing the product. Okay. This is our solution. Yeah. Any questions so far? No?
Sir, can you, after this class, provide the recording, sir, so we can
Okay, okay.
review?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I will set the recorded video to YouTube first, and then we'll distribute it to you and also the file, yeah, file problem and solution in Excel. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. So we will end our class today. Yeah. Thank you for joining the class, and we need the present. Okay, and